Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check a management consulting internship provided by the PwC. Friend, PwC is a multinational organization and they are involved in the consulting business. So we are going to check all the details, how you have to do the registration and what is the task you have to do to get the certificates. So please watch the video complete. Friend, you can see here this type of certificate you will get once you get the all the tasks done. So you can see we are at the official page of the college who is providing this PwC management consulting internship. And friend, you can see here it is absolutely free and already 7,000 plus learners has been completed this internship program. And you can see here after completing this consulting internships, you will learn the various types of skills like you can see data analysis, then research, then financial reporting. You can see the prioritization, business metrics, communication, structure analysis, attention to detail, qualitative research, and presentation and development. So all these types of skills you will learn here. And talking about the what will be the role in this internship, that you will get the opportunity to step into the shoes of a PwC team member. So basically, you have to act as a team member of the PwC, and you have to complete the task that replicate the work that PwC's management consulting team does. You will learn how to analyze, communicate, collect data, create basic financial statements, and perform basic modeling. So this type of role will be here, and you can see here the multiple task is given. So you have to complete all these tasks to get the certificates. So talking about the task one, that is a create a business summary. So you have to create a business summary for a publicly listed company, and you have to then summarize the most important details about the business. So you have to create this summary in such a way that anyone can understand. And talking about the task two, you can see that create a diverse, you can see that teacher interview guide. So in this you have to develop a list of 50 to 20 interview questions, and you have to take the interview with multiple team member, and you can see learn how to structure and organize interview guide. So all the questions how you will set it depends on you, your skills. So accordingly your performance will be done. And talking about the task 3, that is a qualitative synergy presentation. So here you have to practice slide creation by making a 3 side slide presentation. So basically here you have to create slides which consists of 3 slides, and you have to make the presentation. And you can see here to learn how to structure format slides so the message flows well. So basically you have to present this type of information to your seniors, to the management, so your slide should be in such a way that it is easily understand by the team members and the uh, team members who are attending the meetings. And talking about the task 4, that is you can see create a simple Excel model and email summary. So you have to create a model to help determine the value of synergies on the target company, and you have to write a clear and concise summary of the findings. So whatever you have done in the task 1, 2, and 3, then you have to summarize and make it concise so that everyone can understand. And you will also here learn how to use high level data from the client, how to communicate your work to your supervisor. Since you have to do this task in a practical, so it is a very important for any job you are doing. And once you complete all these tasks, then you have to upload it in the taskbar provided in this internship. So I will update you. So before that, if you have not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the pre-certification courses, jobs, and internship related videos, and technology related. So please subscribe Info Roshan. So friend, how you will do the task upload? So first you have to do the registration, and you have to enter in this internship, and then Once you do all these things, then you will get the option for the uploadation, and after the uploadation you will get this type of certificates. So how you will do the registration? I have provided the link in the video description box. You have to open it. Then you have to click on start free program. Then you have to enter your email ID here. Then you have to click on this create free account, and then you have to provide here first name, last name. You have to create one password. You have to create means you have to enter your date of birth and your university details and expected graduation dates. So after providing this information, you have to click on this agree and join. Then your login will be created, and this internship will be added in your profile, from where you can follow the instruction and do the task as mentioned and complete it and get the certificates. And if you have any query, please comment on the video so that we can check it and provide you the answer. Thank you.